The 2026 Honda Motorhome is Honda's boldest step yet into the world of recreational vehicles, and it's immediately clear that this isn't an ordinary RV. From the outside, it looks futuristic and refined, with sleek aerodynamic lines that reduce drag and improve efficiency. The design feels more like a high-end crossover than a bulky motorhome, with a sweeping LED light bar across the front, retractable mirrors, and flush-mounted handles that give it a clean, modern profile. What makes it even more impressive is the integrated solar roof, which blends seamlessly into the body and allows the vehicle to generate its own energy while you're on the road or parked off-grid. Stepping inside, the Honda Motorhome surprises you with a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a camper van. Natural light floods the interior through a panoramic windshield, and ambient smart lighting automatically adjusts to match the time of day. The captain chairs in the front swivel to face the living area, instantly creating a lounge-like space where you can relax, work, or share a meal. The modular furniture design maximizes the use of space, with a sofa that converts into a comfortable bed and a kitchenette that, while compact, includes an induction cooktop, a hidden refrigerator, and plenty of storage. Everything inside is connected to a central touchscreen hub, giving you full control over lighting, temperature, and entertainment with just a tap. Even the bathroom has been carefully designed, with a water-saving shower and an eco-friendly flush toilet to support longer trips. Driving this motorhome is a completely different experience from what most people expect of RVs. Instead of feeling bulky and heavy, the 2026 Honda Motorhome is powered by a hybrid system that combines a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with dual electric motors. The result is smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and an impressive combined range of nearly 600 miles on a full tank and charge. Honda has also introduced Level 3 autonomous driving, which means the vehicle can take over on long stretches of highway, reducing stress for the driver. Safety comes standard too, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision prevention features working together to make every journey safer and easier. Technology plays a huge role in the experience of owning this vehicle. The dashboard is equipped with a dual-screen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while a built-in AI assistant lets you control most functions with voice commands. The solar roof isn't just for looks, it can generate up to 1.5 kilowatts of energy, enough to run essentials like lighting, appliances, and personal devices without draining the main battery. Honda has also added bi-directional charging, which means the motorhome itself can act as a power source. Whether you want to recharge another vehicle, run tools at a campsite, or even provide backup power to your home in an emergency, this motorhome has you covered. What makes the 2026 Honda Motorhome truly stand out is the balance it strikes between comfort and practicality. It's more compact and maneuverable than many larger RVs, which makes it suitable for both city driving and long road trips. At the same time, it still provides everything you'd expect from a full mobile home. Families will appreciate the space and comfort, digital nomads will love the connectivity and self-sufficiency, and eco-conscious travelers will admire the hybrid efficiency and solar power system. It's not just a motorhome, it's a mobile smart home designed for modern lifestyles. Ultimately, the 2026 Honda Motorhome feels like a glimpse into the future of travel. It's efficient, sustainable, and packed with modern conveniences, but it also manages to stay true to what travelers really want: freedom, comfort, and reliability. By combining hybrid performance with a futuristic design and thoughtful living space, Honda has created a vehicle that doesn't just move you from one destination to another, it transforms the journey into an experience in itself. For anyone looking to explore the open road without giving up the comforts of home, the Honda Motorhome may just be the perfect companion.